Welcome to Easy Kids ABC. Let's learn our alphabets together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our fun cartoon channel. A is for apple. Apples are yummy, sweet, and red. B is for ball. Bounce the ball up high in the sky. C is for cat. Meow. The cute cat loves to play. D is for dog. Woof woof. The dog is our best friend. E is for elephant. The elephant has a very long trunk. F is for fish. Splash. The fish swims in the blue water. G is for giraffe. The giraffe has a very tall neck. H is for hat. Wear a fun hat to protect your head. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and super tasty. J is for juice. Yummy juice makes us strong and healthy. K is for kite. The colorful kite flies high up in the wind. L is for lion. Roar. The lion is the king of the jungle. M is for monkey. Oh oh ah ah. The monkey loves bananas. N is for nest. The little birds live safely in the nest. O is for orange. Oranges are round, juicy, and sweet. P is for penguin. Waddle waddle. The penguin plays in the snow. Q is for queen. The beautiful queen wears a shiny crown. R is for rabbit. Hop hop hop. The rabbit eats crunchy carrots. S is for sun. The bright sun gives us warm yellow light. T is for turtle. The turtle walks slowly with its hard shell. U is for umbrella. Use an umbrella when it starts to rain. V is for violin. Play lovely music on the wooden violin. W is for whale. Splash. The huge whale swims in the ocean. X is for xylophone. Ding ding ding. Play a happy tune on the xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Spin the yo-yo up and down all day. Z is for zebra. The zebra has cool black and white stripes. Yay! We learned all our ABCs. You are so smart. Please click the subscribe button to watch more fun cartoon videos with us. Bye bye.